Subscribe or else! Subscribe or else!
I'm throwing a tomato.
Well, that was unexpected.
I was caught off guard. Yes.
Was that a real sneeze though?
It sounded
It's hard to fake a sneeze.
Yeah.
So if that was like a fake sneeze, that was very impressive.
According to my notes, it says that one of staff wanted to submit a coughing baby.
Thank you, staff son.
Thank you, staff son. Thank you. She was not giving baby for me. She was giving sexy. Where did she go? I'm speechless.
That sounded like a real baby. She sounded almost disappointed in herself at the end there, but I was not left disappointed.
Yes, I would hire this baby. Or backstage.
Thank you both.
Beautiful, beautiful backstage.
Hi, series fauna of hololive promise. It's me, Northern Lion. And you're awesome.
score on the screen. I have to give this,
Oh my
this
gosh.
guy 0 though. It was not a baby.